Hello, my name is Anna. Welcome back to my channel. To renovate or not to renovate? That is the question. No, seriously. Are you thinking about selling but still debating and tackling some renovation projects before putting your house for sale on the market? How to make a decision to renovate or not to renovate before you sell? I have some tips for you before you start any new projects. Just keep watching. When thinking about selling, homeowners often feel they need to get their house ready with some remodeling to make it more appealing to buyers. However, with so many buyers competing for available homes right now, renovations may not be as vital as they will be in a more normal market. Here are two things to keep in mind if you're thinking about selling this season. Number one, there are not enough homes for sale right now. A normal market has a 6-month supply of houses for sale, but today, housing inventory sits far below the benchmark. According to the National Association of Realtors, there's only 1.5-month supply of homes available today. As a result, buyer competition is high and homes are only on the market for about 21 days, during which time many receive multiple offers from hopeful buyers. In a competitive market that is moving so quickly, it makes sense to sell your house when buyers are scooping homes up as fast as they are being listed. Spending costly time and money on renovations before you sell might not just mean you'll miss your key window of opportunity. While certain repairs on your house may be important, your best move right now is to work with a real estate advisor, me, to determine which improvements are truly necessary and which ones are not likely to be a deal breaker for buyers. Today, many buyers are more willing to take a home improvement project themselves in order to get the home they are after, even if it means putting in a little extra work. In this market, it may be wise to let future homeowners remodel the bathroom or the kitchen to make design decisions that are best for their specific taste and lifestyle. As a seller, your dollars and time might be better spent working on small cosmetic updates, like refreshing some paint and power washing the exterior, instead of over-investing in your home with upgrades that the buyers may change anyway. Work with a real estate professional to determine the key projects that will maximize your listing without overdoing it. Number two, focus on getting a good return on your investment. When planning any bigger projects to tackle, let's get together and discuss the potential return on your investment and if those projects are worth the cost. Some homes do need a kitchen or bathroom renovation, roof repairs, or other major work, but definitely not all of them. You might be surprised by how well your house could fare in today's seller market. Ideally, homeowners getting ready to move should try to avoid over-investing in big renovations if they won't make that money back when they sell their house. Before you renovate, contact me to see if it's the best course of action. You may find out that putting your house on the market as is will help you sell quickly and it may result in the best return on your investment. Every home is different, but a conversation with your agent, me, is mission critical to make sure you make the right move when selling this season. Bottom line, we are in a strong seller's market, and that means you have the leverage to sell your house on your terms. Let's connect today to determine if renovating is really the best way to spend your time and money before you sell. I hope this information is helpful. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to learn more about buying and selling real estate. Please let me know if you have any questions. I am here to assist. Have a wonderful rest of your week and thank you for watching. See you soon.